uncover the fascinating history behind the origins of Lean and Six Sigma in this video. In my previous video, I have covered the essential concepts of Lean and Six Sigma separately in two videos. You can find the links to those videos below. Now, join me on a journey to explore the historical roots of these powerful methodologies and gain a deeper understanding of their differences and how they came to be combined as Lean Six Sigma. Let's look at the differences between Six Sigma and Lean in this slide. Six Sigma is actually originated in US and also adopted in US by many multinational companies. The main purpose of this methodology is to reduce variation, stabilize the process. This methodology requires lots of data collection using quality tools for root cause identification, an action plan to address the root cause through a phase-by-phase approach. It is followed by data analysis using statistical modeling to verify if there is significant improvement, and followed by standardizing all the action plan to sustain the improvement. Whereas Lean is stated that it could have been originated in America, however, it is widely adopted in Japan, especially those Japanese automobiles makers such as Toyota. It is also known as TPS, Toyota Production System. It's about creating value to customers through waste elimination and strive for perfection through continuous improvement. There is not much data collection. However, you will need to go and gemba the process to look for waste and to understand what is the current state. And the tool used mainly are value stream mapping to find out the waste. Lean tools is actually about elimination of waste and bringing value to the customers. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. It seems that both Lean and Six Sigma are quite different. Then why it become Lean Six Sigma? Let's look at the history of both methodology. I started my career in the electronics manufacturing during the late 80s. I love the 80s. It is an era of major socio-economic changes, advancement in genetic, and also the dawn of digital transformation with the creation of personal computers. At the time, Six Sigma was prevalent in every company where they wanted to achieve Six Sigma qualities at that time. Six Sigma was pioneered by Motorola engineers with the purpose of process improvement. This methodology focuses on data collection and statistical analysis of data, as you know, and then it is also become a big phenomenon when Jack Welch made Six Sigma the GE business strategy in 1995. Several American-based multinational corporations followed suit and claim to have huge saving, which is the biggest incentive to implement Six Sigma in any business organization. The word Six Sigma has become a catchphrase for most companies' top management, and they force their organization to establish Six Sigma projects everywhere, irrespective if it is a suitable approach or not. As we approach the 21st century, Lean has become more popular through Dr. Womack and his team's work. Lean tools are quite simple and easy to use without any complicated statistical modeling. A lot of companies have started to use those popular tools in Lean, such as 5S, standardized work, then etc., with almost immediate results seen. Thus, Lean slowly takes over Six Sigma as a groundbreaking tool in production and management. By the time Lean has become well known, many organizations has already adopted the Six Sigma culture as a groundbreaking tools religiously, and it has gone beyond manufacturing to medical and also financial at that time. At the same time, most management does not want to lose out to company who embrace lean. They started to assimilate lean tools and thus the beginning of Lean Six Sigma. Lean Six Sigma was actually created in a book, Leaning into Six Sigma by Barbara Witt and her associates, which give a guide on how to combine both Lean and Six Sigma to get great results in quality and also cycle time.
Unlock your potential in process improvement with my 2 Udemy courses on practical lean management and ultimate Six Sigma yellow belt. Learn how to apply Six Sigma to reduce variations and lean to eliminate waste with comprehensive in-depth training. Each course is packed with downloadable resources that you can use immediately to become an expert in both methodologies. Don't wait to start your journey to process improvement mastery. Enroll now and take the first step towards achieving your goals.
Organizations start to adopt Lean Six Sigma practices, and most of the training companies all started to ride the wave of the trend by offering Six Sigma. For me, Lean is a culture or mindset in bringing value to the customers through waste elimination and strive for perfection. This means that customers do not need to pay for the waste created if the product is from a lean company. Six Sigma should be a methodology in lean for elimination of defect waste, as this waste is directly linked to customers' experience and has high focus. So, Six Sigma is actually more of a point-to-point improvement, and Lean is a big picture methodology or culture or mindset, which is a more holistic approach in looking at the overall value stream end to end to eliminate waste and bring value to the customers. We can look at Lean Six Sigma as a synergy tools where the combination of both will be 1 plus 1 equals to 5 or 10 effect to the productivity and the quality that a company dream of if it is implemented effectively by a capable team who are well trained. I would like to leave you with a quote by Deng Xiaoping, which stated that we do not care whether it's a black cat or white cat. As long as it can catch a mouse, then it is a good cat. means that we do not care that whether this is a conventional or unconventional Japanese or American tools. As long as it produce results, then it is a good tools.
I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.